Hello, everyone. How's your day going so far?
Hey, Sarah. It's going well, thanks. Just getting ready for another busy day at work. How about you?
Pretty good. I was thinking it would be great to talk about our daily routines at work today. It's something everyone has, but we don't always talk about it in English. What do you think?
I love that idea. Talking about daily routines is so helpful, especially for people learning English. It helps with practical vocabulary and expressions. So how do you usually start your workday?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I like to get ready calmly, have breakfast, and then I check my phone for emails or messages related to work. How about you?
Pretty similar. I get up around 7 a.m., but I make a strong cup of coffee first. Then I review my to-do list from the day before. It helps me prioritize what I need to focus on.
That's a good idea. Prioritizing tasks really makes a difference. When I get to the office, the first thing I do is check my emails and respond to urgent ones. Sometimes I spend 30 minutes just organizing my inbox.
Same here. Emails can pile up quickly. After that, I usually have a quick meeting with my team or manager to discuss the day's goals. Do you have meetings every day?
Not every day, but several times a week. Sometimes meetings can be long, so I try to prepare notes before to stay focused. Also, I use phrases like, "Let me add something here," or "I agree with that point," to participate actively.
Those are great phrases. Speaking of communication, I often check in with colleagues throughout the day to share updates or ask questions. It keeps the workflow smooth.
Absolutely. And what about lunch? Do you eat at your desk or take a break outside?
I try to step out for lunch. It helps me recharge. Sometimes I chat with coworkers, which is good practice for conversational English. How about you?
I do the same. I think socializing is important at work. It builds good relationships and improves teamwork. Plus, it's a nice break from the screen.
Definitely. After lunch, I usually focus on completing tasks and meeting deadlines. Sometimes I use expressions like, "I'm working on this right now," or "I'll get back to you by the end of the day," when communicating status.
Those are useful phrases. I also try to keep my desk organized and plan my next day before leaving. It makes the morning easier.
Good tip. Ending the day with a review of what was accomplished gives a sense of achievement. Plus, it helps reduce stress for the next day.
Totally agree. Do you have any tips for staying productive throughout the workday?
Yes, I set small goals and take short breaks every couple of hours to stay fresh. Also, I avoid multitasking too much because it can reduce focus.
Great advice. For English learners, practicing workplace vocabulary daily can boost confidence too. Words like deadline, meeting, presentation, project, and feedback are essential.
Exactly. And don't forget polite expressions like "could you please," "thank you for your help," and "I appreciate it." They make communication smoother.
Well, John, sometimes I find it challenging to stay motivated in the afternoon. How do you keep your energy up during the slower parts of the day?
That's a great question. Afternoons can definitely be tough. What works for me is taking short breaks every hour or so, just 5 minutes to stretch, walk around, or grab some water. It helps me reset my focus. I also try to switch between different types of tasks to keep things interesting.
I like that idea, switching tasks. Sometimes I get stuck doing the same thing for too long and I lose concentration. Do you use any apps or tools to organize your day?
Yes, I use a digital calendar and a task management app like Trello. It helps me keep track of deadlines and meetings. I also set reminders for important calls or emails. How about you?
I rely mostly on my calendar and a simple to-do list app on my phone. At the end of each day, I write down the tasks I didn't finish and prioritize them for the next day. That way, I feel prepared when I start working again.
Preparation is key. Also, I think having a good morning routine sets the tone for the whole day. Do you have any rituals before heading to work?
Definitely. I like to spend a few minutes reading or listening to something inspiring, like a podcast or a motivational video. It helps me get into a positive mindset. What about you?
I'm similar. I also find it helpful to review my goals for the week every Monday morning. That way, I stay focused on what's most important and avoid distractions.
Speaking of distractions, do you have any tips for avoiding them at work?
It's tough, especially with smartphones and social media. I usually put my phone on silent or in another room when I need to focus deeply. Also, I try to set specific times to check emails or messages instead of doing it constantly.
That's smart. I sometimes use the Do Not Disturb mode on my computer to block notifications when working on important tasks.
Great strategy. Another thing I find helpful is communicating with colleagues about focus time. For example, letting them know when I'm unavailable so they don't interrupt.
Yes, setting boundaries at work is very important. It helps others respect your time and allows you to concentrate better.
Exactly. Before we wrap up, do you have any final advice for listeners who want to improve their daily routine at work?
I would say try to create a routine that fits your personality and work style. Don't be afraid to adjust it if something isn't working. Also, practice using English phrases related to your tasks and meetings. It'll boost your confidence.
I agree. And remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start with organizing your day better, improving communication, and staying positive. That will lead to success.
Thanks so much for this great conversation, John. I hope everyone listening feels inspired to improve their workdays.
Me too, Sarah. Thanks for having me. Have a wonderful and productive day, everyone.
Bye for now. Keep practicing, stay focused, and enjoy your work routine.